Ororo team, this is Evan Cohen from Unsportsmanlike on ESPN Radio. This is unbelievable. Unreal what has happened here. I cannot wait to open up my Heated Apparel. Yes, you guys all heard that it gets freezing cold in this studio and everyone comes in all shivering. Even when I'm hot, then we turn it down and I'm freezing. How awesome is this? The heated jacket. Look at this. This is a beautiful jacket with great texture. It definitely works snow, rain, everything. And when it's 2 degrees here in New York or in our studio, the fact that we could heat it up, oh my God, how great is that? I could feel it. Oh, this is tremendous. Right here, I could feel it. Let's see, I'm gonna zip it up so it looks great on me. Oh yeah, Ororo team, thank you. But wait, there's more. This is tremendous. Look at this, look at this. The gloves and all of the battery packs, the chargers are in here already. Thank you so much for this. I love these gloves. See, a lot of people have gloves where you just have like these little gloves and they don't actually keep your hands warm. Look at these bad boys. They are massive. They're like oven mitts. Oh, I may be able to knock out Cece maybe with this. Well, maybe not that much. And they're heated as well. Thank you, Ororo team. This is amazing. Ooh, wait a minute. Another little pocket I didn't even know about. This is awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate it and happy holidays.